The 777 manifestation technique is a law of attraction technique where you write an affirmation 7 times in the morning and 7 times in the evening for 7 consecutive days. Essentially, this technique is a law of attraction writing exercise that uses the power of affirmations to help you focus your energy and attention on a specific idea or intention that you want to manifest. Like many other similar techniques, like the 55 x 5 technique or the 333 technique, it is designed to focus on specific time frames and to create a ritual. For affirmations to be effective, it needs to be used consistently. For you to manifest anything, you need to focus your energy and your attention on your intention consistently. This technique offers a methodology for achieving that. Focusing your energy and your attention is all that is really required to manifest anything. Is 7 days enough to manifest your wildest dreams? Probably not, but that is not what this technique is focused on. Let's get into the 777 manifestation technique. The 777 manifestation technique revolves around the idea of setting a 7-day program where you will repeat one affirmation 7 times in the morning and 7 times in the evening. Similar to the 55 x 5 technique, this is a writing exercise that is designed to help you focus intensely on manifesting one single intention. From the law of attraction, we know that we manifest what gives our energy and our attention to. The struggle that most people have is that we set an intention, we get excited, but after a few days the excitement fades out and we do not have that same focus. Let's first look at the technique itself and then go deeper to help you understand more of why this works. Step 1. Get very clear on exactly what you want to manifest. The first and most important step in manifestation is to get very clear on exactly what you want. For the 777 manifestation method to work well, you need something very specific to work on and to manifest. It might take a day, a few days, or even a few weeks for you to truly clarify your vision of exactly what you want to manifest. For this method, it is recommended picking a small to mid-level manifestation. You probably won't manifest $1 million in 7 days. Step 2. Create an affirmation for your intention. Once you know exactly what you want to manifest, you need to create an affirmation for your intention. This affirmation will become the basis around which your entire 777 technique will revolve. Your affirmation needs to be specific, clear, positive, and stated in the present tense, as if you already have the desired outcome. Step 3. Block out 7 consecutive days. The 777 manifestation technique runs for 7 consecutive days. Start by blocking out 7 days where you know you will be at home or the same place where you can do the exact same routine every day for 7 days. It is important because skipping a day or having your routine interrupted takes away the rhythm and focus. While this is not necessarily important to the process, it is important to your commitment, dedication, and focus. Step 4. Write your affirmation 7 times in the morning and 7 times in the evening. Starting on day 1 of your 7 days that you blocked out, you will write your affirmation out 7 times in the morning, and then again 7 times in the evening. While this does not take long at all, it is the daily commitment, dedication, and focus on what you really want. For most people, what they really want is an idea that floats around in their heads. By writing down your affirmation, you direct your focus entirely to a singular idea. The act of writing engages you to focus entirely on just what you want to manifest. When you write out your affirmation, number them and make sure you do it 7 times. The important thing is not to just write and repeat the same thing, but to really engage in what you are writing. Does your affirmation excite you and make you see yourself with the desired manifestation? If it doesn't, then you may need to revisit step 1 or rewrite your affirmation. The act of writing affirmations is incredibly powerful. Unlike general affirmations, these affirmations are not designed to make you feel good. The main aim of your affirmation is that you are really using it as a visualization tool. Words are powerful and the mind thinks in terms of images. When you construct your affirmation correctly and based on a clear vision, then writing it down forces your mind to visualize yourself with the desired end result. This is just so much easier as trying to close your eyes and visualize yourself having what you want. This form of visualization is tough and most people struggle with that. The mind drifts. Staying focused in visualization for 10 minutes takes a lot of mental practice. Writing out affirmations for 10 minutes, however, is easy. The act of writing keeps you engaged and prevents your thoughts from drifting. We all know how powerful it is if we can stay focused on a single idea. The law of attraction requires 17 seconds of focus to be activated. This method is short, yet provides you with enough time to really focus your energy and attention. Let's talk about the significance of the numbers 777 and why repeat your affirmations 7 times. 7 is convenient as it represents a full week, and writing out 2-sentence affirmations 7 times will keep you engaged for roughly 30 seconds to 1 minute. This is sufficient time to focus on an idea for it to engage the law of attraction. The number 777 is often associated with luck, whether it be good or bad. In terms of numerology, the number 777 actually has a more positive connotation. The number 777 is seen as a sign of reassurance that you are on the right track. Let's talk about how to make the 777 manifestation technique work better. The goal of these 7 days of writing affirmations is not to have your ultimate dream manifested in 7 days. That would most likely be unrealistic. Manifesting anything of significance takes time, as the law of gestation dictates. The real purpose of doing the 777 manifestation technique is to direct your focus on a daily basis. Here are 5 tips to help you get the most out of using this technique. 1. Use a journal. Using a journal for manifestation, or any of the many manifestation techniques that requires writing, is always a great idea. Not only do they become a record of everything you manifest, but they serve as a reminder that if you focus your energy and attention on something, it will manifest. Don't use a computer to type things out. Having one journal that is always there and having a pen in your hand creates the best results for most people. 2. Focus on the visual aspect of your affirmations. When you write your affirmations, focus on the visual aspects of it. Remember that it is not so much the words and the affirmation as it is the visualization value of it that really creates the benefit from this method. You may have to adjust your affirmation. Make sure that the affirmation helps you to visualize the end result of what you want to manifest. Don't worry about the process. All of your focus needs to be on the end result only. 3. Use multiple 7-day blocks. Setting aside 7 days will probably not be enough to manifest your wildest dreams. It's not designed to do that. What the 7-day blocks are good for, though, is that it gives you a period of time to really focus. You may need to set aside multiple 7-day blocks, but the idea of just committing to 7 days is much easier than doing affirmations indefinitely. Most people lose steam after 7 days anyway. Focus intensely on your next 7 days, and when it's over, relax, let go. Only then make your next plan. 4. Talk as you write. As you write your affirmations, speak it out loud as you write. The act of speaking it, writing it and hearing it floods your subconscious mind with the idea. This makes it very hard for your mind to drift off and lose focus. Speaking it out loud also helps you with the visualization process, and when you are fully engaged like this, you maximize the focus of your energy and your attention. 5. Create a ritual. Having a ritual to do this first thing in the morning, right your feet hits the ground, and the last thing before you turn the light off at night can be very powerful. Most people have rituals, but the problem is that their rituals are disempowering. Most people wake up and run a ritual, a pattern of thought where they immediately start thinking of everything they are worrying about. They then go to bed, and the last thing they do before they fall asleep is that they think of everything that went wrong that day. Replacing this disempowering ritual with an empowering one where you redirect your thoughts to what you do want truly can change your life. A ritual requires you to do it exactly the same way every time. It helps to prime your mind, and the sequence of events in a ritual can help condition your mind to focus much clearer than when you simply do the 777 manifestation technique randomly. Thanks for watching.